Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a couple of very simple but useful conditional formatting rules in Microsoft Excel. So in this first sheet, I have got a data set, and what I want to do is to enter the name of a country in cell C1 and apply the conditional formatting based on a formula which will evaluate the name of country in cell C1 and highlight the complete row of data by matching the name of country in the country names in column H. So I have already applied the formatting and I will show you how it is going to work. Then I will remove the formatting and apply it back for you to learn. So let's type in the name of any country. I'm going to type USA. You can see the data with the country names USA has been highlighted. Similarly, if I type in Spain, you will see the data with the country name Spain has been highlighted. So let's remove the conditional formatting and I will be applying it back again. I will delete this rule, click OK, so it's no more applicable. But before I go and put conditional formatting, let me make a drop down list of countries so that I don't have to type it again. So I will go to data, I will select data validation, and from the drop down I will select list, and for the data source I will select the complete name of countries, click OK. Now I have got this drop down list for the countries to select. Okay, so now apply the conditional formatting rule. I will select this whole data to which I want to apply the conditional formatting. I will go home, conditional formatting, and then I will select new rule. From the new rule formatting, I will go to use a formula to determine which cells to format, and for the formula just select the source and select this column C1 and press equals, select the name of the first country, and that's it. The only thing I need to do is to remove this $sign from row 4. So now what this formula is doing is checking the name of a country against the column H, and if it matches what I want to do, I want to fill in yellow color in the cells. Click OK, and you can see now this conditional formatting is working. If you select any country, it is going to change according to the name of a country. So that was very simple but useful conditional formatting formula to highlight your set of data. Now let's go to the second sheet. So for this second sheet, I have got this set of data, and what I want to do is to highlight the maximum and the smallest value in this change in units sold. So what I will do, I will select this data and I will apply conditional formatting. I will go to new rule, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Here I have to enter two formulas together, and either one of them can be true to give me a conditional formatting result. So I will type in equals OR, and inside that I will enter first formula for the bigger value. I will enter max, and inside max I have to select this whole column D, and it must be checked against each value in column D, so that max D2 to D78 will be checked against column D. So I will remove $sign from row 2 so that it can move down the column D, comma, minimum. Same thing I will do for minimum, and equals, I have to select the first value. Again, I will remove the dollar sign from row 2, and then I will close bracket. I will apply the format as, I will fill it with light color, and font, I want a bold font with red color. Click OK, OK, and now you can see this is the smallest value and this is the largest value in this data set. So I hope this conditional formatting formulas will be helpful to some of you. If you have liked the content, please subscribe the channel.